Well, hello! So today I'm going to be unboxing this action cam, the Cooau, not quite sure how to pronounce it, Action Cam, Ultra Sports Cam. It's 20 megapixels, 4K. Comes in a nice little box. And inside the box you've got a plastic insert with the camera and a remote control and the user manual. Deeper in the box there's a box of goodies. Having a quick flick through the manual, they're in multiple languages. As you can see, there's Spanish, English, Dutch, quite a few different languages, Chinese as well I think, or Cantonese, I'm not sure because I can't read it. So let's have a quick look in the box of goodies. One of the things I particularly liked about this one was there was a microphone, and then all these, it said in the advert there were 20 plus accessories, and as you can see there's lots of different fittings. I've never had one of these type of action cams before, so I'm really not sure what all of these do at the moment. You probably know more than me if you've had one of these. As you can see on the left there, underneath the little carry case, there's a couple of batteries, including a spare round battery, which I believe is for this remote control. So the remote control will activate the camera and the video. You can tell I'm new with these, I'm not even sure how to get into the waterproof case. Anyway, so let's put all this away, and as you can imagine I probably won't get it back in the box in as efficient manner as it came out. Okay, so I also bought an accessory bundle to go with this camera. It comes in this nice case, and the case can be used for carrying the camera around, which I thought was handy. So let's have a quick look at what was in this box. Let's have a quick look at what was in this case. So you can set the action cam up to be a dash cam. So there's a dash cam fitting, Velcro strap, I'm assuming that one's a wrist strap. There was a bag full of all sorts of screws and accessories. I have absolutely no idea what any of these do, but there were loads of them. Various fittings, I think for handlebars and so on, for attaching the camera. An elasticated strap. This bundle was so worth it, it cost about £20. Then there was another strap, another Velcro strap similar to the one that actually comes with the camera. There's a float for the camera as well, so that you don't lose it. Bright yellow so that it stands out in water. And a lanyard. Then there's these little sticky fixers for fixing the camera to things. Yeah, I thought this was quite good. There's a chest harness, so you can attach the camera to your chest. Elasticated, it might even fit me. A very feeble looking plastic bag. It felt cheap, did that bag. Then there's a head harness, a head strap, which I thought was good. It had non-slip rubbers on it. And another collection of fittings for attaching the camera to various things. Lots of sticky pads, 3M sticky pads. And then the token monopod / selfie stick. So let's get that back in the case again. So all in all, as I say, I thought this was a really good collection of stuff, and now I've just got the learning curve of finding out what they all do. And this is where I'd really gaffed, because I'd actually bought a standard SD card instead of a micro SD card. As you can see, I can't get a micro SD card out of a standard card. What a fool. Ah well, back to Amazon to order another one. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll let you know when I'm posting any new videos if you click the bell icon. See you soon, bye!